Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup WooCommerce website data with UpdraftPlus, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type UpdraftPlus and hit Enter. Locate UpdraftPlus WordPress Backup plugin in the search results. Click the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once installed, click Activate to enable the plugin. Now, go to the Settings section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on UpdraftPlus Backups to open the plugin settings. You will see an overview of existing backups and options for creating new ones. To configure backup settings, click on the Settings tab. Here, you can choose your backup schedule for files and database. Select your preferred remote storage option for backup files. Options include Google Drive, Dropbox, or Amazon S3, among others. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate your chosen storage option. After setting up remote storage, scroll down to find the Include/Exclude Files section. You can decide which files to include or exclude from backups. Next, click on the Save Changes button to apply your settings. To create a manual backup, go back to the Current Status tab. Click the Backup Now button to start the backup process. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Check the boxes for files and database. Then click the Backup Now button in the pop-up. The backup process will begin, and you can monitor its progress. Once completed, you will see the new backup listed in the Existing Backups section. To download a backup, click on the Archive Date link. Choose the components you wish to download, such as plugins or uploads. Finally, save the files securely to your local storage. Your WooCommerce website data is now safely backed up with UpdraftPlus. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.